Hey guys, what's up? I'm about to take down these passion trees, and first off, I'm going to cut them and make sure it's not you don't cut near your real hair because I really with this hair I really can tell where my real hair stops, but you can see the frizziness of my hair through the curly crochet. But just make sure your hair is out the way and cut it short, because it will be a little bit easier but not too easy to unravel. I'm literally starting from the back, for the bottom of the hair, and then working my way up, and it unravel itself. And I think it's because of the product I used, but it was easy except for the back of my hair because I used one strand or two strand of hair, but it wasn't enough. But in the front it was good, and it wasn't a big deal to unravel those my hair out of the fake hair, the curly crochet. Now you can see the struggle is real. I try to unravel. Just be patient because I'm usually not that patient, and it shows really on this video. But you know just take your time. You can use a red tool, red tail comb, a little red tail comb, the pointed red tail comb part to unravel those their hair.